Welcome to a new edition of the Flex Rental Solutions webinar. Today we're going to be going over the new Cog icon that we've added to many locations in Flex Rental Solutions. Previously we used to do a lot of shortcuts with right-click functionality. With the new movement towards mobile-based platforms that do not support right-click functionality, we have made it an effort to get rid of some of these right-click functionalities. So, as an example, in our list view, where you used to be able to right-click and click on a line item and do workflow, this has been replaced with a cog icon over here. So you would simply, if you wanted to update this quote from tentative to confirmed, you would click, hit confirm quote. It would function the same as if you were in the quote itself, so you could actually have workflows with email sent. And with that, we have now confirmed that job. So remove the right click, add the functionality on the right hand side to the cog. If you were to go to say projects and quotes, this would bring up the page that displays all the different quotes that you've done in the system. You can filter these based on statuses, start dates, any of these fields here. And again, we used to have a right-click functionality that we have again replaced with the cog. So this job was marked as confirmed. And if we want to click on that and say flag it is ready to invoice or generate a pull sheet, it will take care of all of that functionality right by just clicking on the cog. And so now we've flagged that one as ready to invoice. And with that, we can then generate an invoice if we need to, or export it to QuickBooks. Anything you can do through the workflow, you can now do through the cog functionality. Finally, in financial documents, we have also replaced functionality in there. Again, you used to be able to right click and do specific things with quote line items. You could also right click and add miscellaneous note line items and blank line items. So for this quote, we can click on the cog, open the item, go to the schedule, look at the conflicts, swap this out for a specific serialized units, relaunch the suggestion, delete the line item, look at our upstream links, downstream links, add a note line, add a miscellaneous item, and add a blank line item. On the subtotal, let me get rid of our discount on here. If you have a subtotal that you want to add a subtotal discount, then that would have a add subtotal discount. Right now we already have our subtotals enabled based on this customer, Eric Satter. Other things that we have added are based on how you have configured your system. If you are on auto sort, it allows you to auto sort things into the system. If you change your combo box to insert mode, it now adds these three icons, so we could drag and drop and insert a note line item wherever we would like. Same thing with a miscellaneous line item. And same thing with a blank line item. If you change this to what's called add mode, no matter where you drop it, it'll always be added to the bottom. So that's adding a note to the last line item, a miscellaneous item to the last line, and a blank line item to the last line. So those are the functionalities that we've replacing the right-click functionality with either cogs and new ways to add miscellaneous notes and line item in either the add or the insert mode.